Y'all see that? Y'all know what the fuck going on. I'm about a weekend to learn Python, a week, almost 2 weeks, and I learned a lot of things. I made a couple of network automation tools. I made a user database system, and I made a bank system. I was playing on the if statements, while through loops. It's pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. Look, I've been using this app to help me study on my free time. It's called Mimu, and see, I'm 11 days in. I started 11 days ago, so a couple days after 7 days, making it a week. But a week we can have, give or take. I'm in a weekend. And I'm gonna go and show the programs I made though. I'm gonna show my best ones. I ain't even gonna show the other ones. Look, these are really the ones I care about the most. So we're gonna go ahead and load up this one called NetAlert. You see how it gives a notification since I started up. Actually, I can't see it. See notification since I started up. But boom, this program right here. So I made it like I'll say 3 days ago. I was in the car with my mom, and I was just thinking about how I could play around with OS.system commands because I was using it to clear the screen. And then I was like, I wonder if I put in Nmap and then I put in the IP to scan, will it do it? And it worked. It scanned. So I made a little program. It's called Network Scanner Notification System, and I made it so that it's gonna scan my whole entire network on an interval basis. So I could put the time that I wanted to wait between scans to scan again, and then after the scan, it saves it to a local file. It saves it to a file I put on my desktop called results of NetAlert, some shit like that, and all the scans, all the results, it puts it in there. So as you can see, this is the results from the scan. 256 IP addresses scanned, 11 hosts up, scanned in 56 seconds. So you can see it works perfectly fine. That's what I love to see about it. The only thing is, sometimes that it takes a little minute for it to load up the timer because of the fact that it saves the file in a notepad to a file system. I don't know why that makes it take so long. It's like 3 kilobytes. So I'm gonna have to solve that one day. Alright, so here it is, and then look, network scan now complete. I add notifications in here, and then the next scan is in 3,500 seconds. That's about an hour, give or take. And then as you can see, it says scan results saved to see user desktop NetAlert, which is right here. I'll go ahead and load it up, and as you can see, I already got a bunch of scans in here. I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna have to blur it out. Fuck it, I'll open it. So look, here are the scans I did. This the scan we just did, guys. I really love this program. When I want to add to it is, so if it finds a new IP address on the network, it's gonna send me a notification to my phone telling me it's a new device up. I want to put that bitch in the cloud so it can just scan from something else besides my computer, so I don't gotta keep it on. And then I was gonna use like Google Cloud Base. As you can see, I got it right here on the bottom. I was gonna use Google Cloud Base, and then it was gonna keep scanning it on an hour interval, and then it was gonna send a text message to my phone. But look, here's my other program. This one was kind of a prerequisite to the other one. I made this one first. But boom, automated network scanner. What would you like to do today? See, I can scan a single IP address. I'm gonna go ahead and type 1. Now I just go ahead and type in IP. I'm gonna go ahead and type in. I'm gonna do my computer, I guess. I had the IP address wrong because I forgot. I was on my Wi-Fi right now. I'm usually on wired connection, but I took that picture out for a second. So look, we're gonna go ahead and scan my network from my device. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine. See, I don't even gotta blur shit out, but it's not showing my MAC address because it does a simple TCP scan. That's what I have it set up for this one. As you can see, one host is up, scanned in about 0.53 seconds. And then I just go ahead and tap enter to exit. And then boom, takes it back to the main menu. And if I want to, I can do another single IP scan, or I can scan my whole network. See, I can tap 2 for that, but I just did that. So we're gonna go ahead and exit this bitch. So it's gonna go ahead and see us out. 3, 2, 1. And boom, that's that one. And now the last one that I've been working on, which is this one, I've been playing around with shit to add into it. See, I'm gonna go ahead and send 100. I'll do 100 packets. I'll send it sends to my laptop. I have it on the time delay right now for like, I think 0.1 seconds. And look, program in it. And then look right here, attack completed in 12 seconds. A total of 100 packets were sent. Now those two things, the time it took to complete it, and the amount of packets that were sent, I do not have it in this one yet, which is the official download service one. See, and it's some DOS system developed by Jabbar Lucian. I entered the target IP 192.168.1.1. My laptop is 77. Port 443. And then go ahead and start the attack. And know, it's doing a bunch of different bullshit, but launch DOS attack, boom, and then I got a notification system in this one too. And then it launched the attack, and yeah, but I'm not done with this one though. I want to add it so it shows how many packets were sent and the time it took. I also want to add like a little duration thing that tells you how long it's been going for. Or no, a duration thing that says like, do you want to scan, do you want to do this for like 2 minutes, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I didn't add a proper way to end it, but here's the code behind it though. So it's only 90 lines long. See, I have I have the CMD title change, notice system. I have it so I can change the command prompt color. And here's the actual non-service attack. So as you can see, it's nice and simple. It's a little UDP flood. I want to make one where you can just type in the host name and you can just go off of there. You don't even need the IP address, you just need the host name. I'm about to play around with DNS. I will probably make that by the end of the week. This whole week is me trying to finish this DOS system. Last week I did Net Alert, this week is DOS. I'm going to come back to Net Alert though to add notifications in, but eventually I'm going to combine the two. It's going to be cool as hell. I'm going to add a speed test to it too. Here is that Net Alert one. As you can see, this is what I got for it. Shit, pretty cool. Nothing too crazy for real. But yeah though guys, that's all I got for right now though. Let me know what y'all think about the video. So it's my 11th day into learning Python. I'm going to be back to do another video on the 30th of my 30th day. So that's going to be like around December 1st. It's the 18th right now, November. But really, I want to be able to come back and look at this for motivation, bro. I want to keep going. And this shit, I know it get difficult sometimes, it get hard. I'm in college right now. I'm going for my computer science degree in digital forensics. I might change that. I'm gonna stay in CS, but I might change what the degree is going to be for. That's my second time doing it. Because I want to be a network engineer at first, but after I learned about programming Python, because I took a class of Python like when I was in I took a class of Python like in my second semester back in January, and I hated that shit, but I didn't learn shit from it. I passed with an A, and I don't know nothing from it. I don't know how I did, but boom, I came on the Visual Studio one day, and I was like, let me do a print statement or some shit. I saw it on YouTube, and I was like, it's kind of cool. And ever since then, I've just been addicted to it. I'd be at work thinking about it. I'd be at work searching up videos about how to do this, how to do that. I'd be texting this one girl my codes and shit to make sure I know what I'm doing and practicing to see if I know the commands. But yeah, that shit just been hella fun, bro. I'm not gonna lie though. That's really all I've been doing for y'all. See that? Y'all know what the fuck going on? You know, I'll be doing this shit for that real life shit though. Shit, that real life shit, nigga. This is 2 classes worth of work right here, man. Y'all don't even know about this. Y'all don't even know about this, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go though, man. Y'all boys like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and make sure y'all come back to my next video, man. And if y'all got any ideas or recommendations for my codes, let me know though, man. But until then, I'm gonna see y'all boys later. Peace.